We're on a record in 6 cases. The first case is cause number 326686. Second case is cause number 327446. Third case is cause number 327454. Fourth case is cause number 327458. Fifth case is cause number 327682. And the sixth case is cause number 328272. All 6 cases are styled the state of Texas versus Ricardo Alonzo Hernandez. Mr. Hernandez, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Hernandez, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God? I couldn't hear him.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You may put your hand down, Mr. Hernandez. How are you doing, Mr. Hernandez?
All right, sir. How about yourself, sir?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Hernandez, as a defendant in a criminal case, you have 3 options. Number 1, you may hire an attorney. Number 2, if you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may request an attorney be appointed to represent you. Or number 3, you may represent yourself. Mr. Hernandez, do you understand your options?
Yes, sir.
If you want an attorney to represent you and have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do so. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you want an attorney and do not have the money to hire one, you will need to fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You may not speak to the prosecutor about your case unless you sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Be aware that there are dangers to self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in a worse outcome for you and your case, including the loss of significant legal rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. I understand, sir.
If you choose to proceed without an attorney, you may change your mind at any time and may request counsel from the court. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. I understand, sir.
If you choose to have your case reset to hire an attorney, your case will be reset. If you have already hired an attorney, that attorney will be contacted and given a court date for you. If you want to apply for court-appointed counsel, you would have to fill out a financial questionnaire. And if you meet the eligibility requirements, an attorney will be appointed to represent you. Or if you have a court-appointed attorney, that court-appointed attorney will be contacted and your attorney will be given a court date. If you want to waive your right to an attorney and represent yourself, then you would have to fill out, well, you would have to sign, rather, a waiver of counsel for purposes of issuing a plea of guilty or no contest. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir. I understand, sir.
Now, Mr. Hernandez, what is your choice?
I would like to represent myself, sir.
Okay, so you would like to waive your right to an attorney and to represent yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Mr. Hernandez, in State's Exhibit number 1, there is, under the paragraph that is titled waivers, starting at the 4th sentence, I will read to you the waiver of counsel. And it states, I have been advised this day by the court of my right to representation by counsel to me. I have been advised and understand that if If I am determined to be indigent, counsel will be appointed to me free of charge. Understanding my right to have counsel appointed to me free of charge, if I am found to be indigent, I wish to waive that right and request the court to proceed with my case without an attorney being appointed for me. I specifically waive my right to be represented by an attorney, to consult with an attorney. Before I give up these enumerated rights, it is my decision to represent myself, and I do so knowing the dangers and disadvantages of self-representation. I further elect not to request appointment of counsel. Mr. Hernandez, do you understand that?
Yes, sir, I understand, sir.
Is that true and correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, Mr. Hernandez, you'll have an opportunity, you'll sign the form and you'll have an opportunity to talk to the prosecutor about your case.